Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi. Thank you for joining me today. Today I want to show you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some things which I ordered from iOffer, and I wanted to try out the site. I've been actually looking to buy me a pair of trainers just because I wanted to get back into dancing. I needed something to wear to the gym, so I saw a couple of videos about this website and I thought to try it. So iOffer is kind of like AliExpress or like Wish. So on the website there's like a number of buyers and sellers, and particularly for iOffer they do more of designer dupes. So they carry a lot of designer lookalikes and dupes and whatnot, and they're really cheap on there. Like obviously they're fake, so they're really cheap, but then again it's different sellers, so some sell for really cheap and some sell kind of like a bit more expensive. Yeah, so I wanted to try out some things from there, so I ordered okay, so shopping on there was straightforward, right? But usually with me the way I shop is I pick items where people have actually bought before and they have reviewed, so that way I know people's actual experience with the items I'm about to buy. So on the website there's loads and loads and loads of like and similar items. I just put them on fan because it's kind of warm in here. So I placed my order on the 1st of September. My order took just under 2 months to arrive. I had left a couple of messages saying I haven't seen my orders, where are my items, did you send anything? I didn't get any response back, but if you're going to order from that website, just make sure it's not something you need. Like, nah. I have seen reviews where people say theirs came in about 3 months later. Mine was 2 months. So I ordered on the 1st of September. My package came in on the 24th of October. So 2 months. Anyways, I'm going to jump right in. So it's 2 pairs of trainers I bought. So we are going to see what I bought. Okay, alright. Let's get into it. Okay. Okay. So the thing with me is I don't have a collection or a good number of trainers that I can call my own. I got one pair of really inexpensive ones, and they're actually quite embarrassing because when I walk they kind of squeak, and they weren't like that at the beginning. Somehow, I don't know, they just like sticks to the floor as I'm walking. I've never been one to spend a lot on trainers. I'm saving for big things. Saving for big things in my life. Okay, let's just pop this out of the box. So you can probably tell that I have bought me Adidas, and I also bought, oh, they bought Adidas. In fact, I bought Nike. Okay, let's take the black pair out first. Okay, so here they are. It feels really light. I don't own a like original pair of these, so I can't tell what the difference really is going to be. But just from touching the inside, I can tell that this might not be comfortable. It's not cushioned on the inside, so that's not good because I want to choose where I can use to dance, and obviously with dancing you need something that can take a lot of shock, as well as like going to the gym or just having a pair of sneakers or trainers anyways. It needs to be able to take, you know, shock with walking or running, but this one is not padded. There's nothing. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Adidas. I didn't really buy this for the names, so I need the comfort too, guys. Probably like, why don't you just get the originals? I don't want to fork out $300 or how much. Like, I don't know anything about trainers really. So this is what the inside is looking like. Look, that's it. This is it. I'm probably destroying the shoe as is, but yeah, there's the structure on the inside, which is something hard, and this is about all the lining of and support I have for my feet. I just want to be me, I don't like this, I just want to be me, I just want to be me. This is what it's looking like. I'm going to put them on and then I wear it around, jump around, jump around. Right, so these are called women, it's basically called Brand Women Men's Sneakers Trainers Olympic Running Shoes, and these cost 18 Canadian dollars. So that would be less in US dollars, and there would be less, I think, yeah, in British pounds. So it's well under 20, but the comfort does not seem to be existent. Now the second pair, so I guess these are the Adidas Superstars, because it says it on the side, and it's just got this holographic detail on the stripes, so it's just reflecting different colors. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. It's kind of the same problem here. So on the inside, I don't feel like there's any support. Okay, so let's look at this flap that's just popping open here. Just on that side though. The other side seems okay. But I don't know, what do you guys think? You've got originals of this, what do you think? Does this look way off, or does it look correct? But how about the comfort of the originals? I should probably go into this shoe store and try on the originals, I guess, to actually, that is what it looks like. It looks fine, it doesn't look cheaply made. Okay, so yeah, so far it looks fine on all sides. That's what the back looks like. Why am I singing? Yeah, there's the Superstar, feeling a superstar. Yeah, this costs $21.92, so $21 Canadian, 92 cents, which is still under 20 US dollars, I believe. So I wanted a black pair as well as a white pair. I got them both for under $40. Ooh, shipping. I don't remember shipping costs. I will get you that information if there was shipping. And on their website, they say they are based in California. I don't know if that's true or not. Oh, actually, they say it's based in California. More like China, because this is coming from China. That's why it took that long. But not everything takes long from China. These ones have just taken their bloody time. Was there anything I missed? I should put them on, shouldn't I? Let's put them on. Okay, so what I can say is they fit me well, but there's no comfort for my feet. There's no padding, and this is definitely not right for jogging or for running. I mean, it's just like a fashion pen. That's not what I wanted. It looks nice. It's not comfortable in the sense that I wouldn't suggest or recommend wearing these if you're going to be walking for a long time, if you're actually going to be, dancing. Also, I think like the back seems to be in my way. This bit seems to be digging into my back leg as I do when I do this. I don't know if that's. It's probably because there's not enough padding, so everything is just like hollow plastic. That's what it feels like. It feels like hollow plastic. Let's try the other ones. So these ones feel a little better just because they are softer on the shell on the outside. It's more cloth and flexible material as opposed to the other one, which is more like hard plastic. So these ones are still the same. Still the same. No padding or comfort on the soles. Oh, but my toe is kind of catching. My toe is catching the seam here. I guess if I wore a pair of socks, that should not be a problem. But what can I say about these? What can I say? I don't know. I wouldn't go running in these, but I might just wear them if I had to go down the shops or in the weekend or whenever I need to be nice and relaxed. And yeah, so that's it for these. If you need to buy like insoles or something to give yourself more padding or cushioning on the inside, that will be probably make it worth it. And with the price of these, for the design and for the looks, I think it's a good deal. It's a bargain, isn't it? It's a good offer, hence I offer. Thanks for joining my channel today. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions for me or for any other viewers with regards to this website or regards to anything else in life, you can let me know in the comments, and give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to let me know what you thought. I think I might have said that before, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm out of focus, but we're gonna leave it that way. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next one, whenever that is. Bye.